2015 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bluetooth, trip computer, day-night rear-view mirror, front bucket seats, body color door handles, tinted glass, engine immobilizer, 4-piece floor mat set. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.